Too much context. I see this specifically for people who come from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. And that is when they're asked a question, they want to tell the entire story before they get to the point. So, for example, let's say you have a business and a certain client needs a certain product delivered to them, right? And if I ask you, hey, has this product been delivered to this client? What do you want to hear from me? Yes or no, right? Yes, that's the most important thing. Yes, the product has been delivered. No, it hasn't. It will be delivered by this time. But what if you ask the person, has this product been delivered on time? Yeah, so about the product, so we reached out to Michael, and then Michael said that the initial deadline is going to be 4 p.m. on Tuesday. And then we were emailing back and forth, and he looped in his executive assistant, and I spoke to her to confirm if that. I'm just telling you the whole freaking story. This information, it makes the other person impatient. Like, get to the point. Give me the important thing first. So similarly, in a job interview, when people are asked, hey, tell me a little bit about yourself, what they're looking for is relevant details to this role. So for example, if you are applying for a video editing role, you can say, well, I started my career working in school where I was editing videos for my local school. Then eventually I went freelance. Now I started my business. Now I'm doing this. Makes sense. It's relevant. But if you said, tell me a little bit about yourself. Well, I was born in this year and I grew up here. Then I went to school there. I initially went into engineering and then I switched. Too much context, right? So you have to understand the concept of being verbally efficient. What does this mean? Communicate the most with the fewest possible words. Communicate the most with the fewest possible words. And start with the point. Don't start with the context, start with the point. Give me the most important thing first, then only add enough detail that fulfills on that point. So for example, has the product been delivered to the client? Yes, it has. It was delivered Tuesday morning. I've also emailed them to make sure they got it. That's it. No other story required. So too much context, one of the biggest mistakes people make.